Add lemon to Coca Cola and you will be surprised by the end result. Let's start by cutting 5 lemons into smaller pieces. You can also use lemon peels after you make lemon juice. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from so I can send you a special hug in the next video. I'm going to put it in a blender and add 200 milliliters of Coca Cola. Now I'm going to add a cup of alcohol vinegar. Now I'm going to turn on the blender until they are well integrated. Tell me if you already knew a Coca-Cola trick like this. I'm sure you'll love the end result. And now just sift the entire mixture well. Now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of detergent, which is important to remove grease from dishes. And lastly, a tablespoon of baking soda, which is important to make sure all the heavy dirt comes out. I will transfer everything into a 500 milliliters detergent bottle. I'm sure that once you make this mixture, you'll want to make it every day. After a friend taught me how to make this mixture, I never made the effort to wash the dishes in my house again. If you prefer, add other ingredients you use to make this mixture even more potent. Many people don't know that Coca-Cola is super powerful for general cleaning, and it is much more powerful together with baking soda too. To use it is very simple, just apply it to a damp sponge and wash the dishes as usual. Whenever I have visitors at home, they are impressed by my house shining like that. A hug to Maria de Franca, and another hug to Beatriz from Italia. Thank you for watching and sharing our videos. Tell me if you already knew a mixture with toothpaste and Coca-Cola like this. See how all the dirt I had in the places I'm applying it disappears. Thank you for watching this far. See you next time.